How's it going, everybody? Today I'm going to be going in my 2 beehives. I've got the swarm hive here that I got this summer from a wild swarm that lives in my front yard in one of my big oak trees. It's been there basically my entire life. Throws about 1 swarm a year. And then I've got the Italian box bee hive. I ordered a package, a 4-pound package earlier this summer, and I got this one, and they're not doing so hot, as you can see. We're going to go in both of these hives, show you the differences, and show you the temperament differences between my Italian and my wild hive, which is the meanest hive and most productive hive I've ever seen in my entire life. Now, it's overcast right now, and it's been thunderstorming and raining all day. The only reason I'm going in today is because I've worked Sunday to Wednesday 12-hour shifts, and I'll be working Friday through Sunday 12-hour shifts, so it's now or never. Alright, this first hive is the easy one. They're like really mild in temperament and half dead anyways. So I thought I lost the queen on this one. Oh, please don't tell me I spoke around. Okay. I thought I lost the queen on this one. I used mite away quick strips on them. Crap load of earwigs. Might away quick strips on him. I thought it killed the queen, but I checked it last time and there were eggs and larvae. And you can see there's bees up here. I think you can. I can't actually. Yeah, you can see them. All right. I have 2. Pry that up gently. This hive really does not need a whole lot of anything, really. A whole lot of smoke. They're pretty chill. In terms of temperament, I really like these Italian bees. In terms of productivity, they're kind of shit. The Russians I had were pretty good. They were also kind of mean. They didn't like me either. So, let's see what we got here. Alright. This is old comb that was from one of my previous beehives. And they've pretty much stripped it of honey. It was actually full of honey. But I put it in there. They don't seem to be returning much honey to the hive. They seem to be using more honey than they're producing, which is not good. Let's see. Completely empty. They're just... I'm hoping there's capped brood. I'm really hoping there's capped brood, but I'm not feeling good about this hive. I think I might have lost this one. The packaged bees I actually got 2 different packages. The first one arrived here dead. Like, it was full of 4 pounds of dead bees. Or 3 pounds, 4 pounds. So that was a disappointment. And this hive is pretty much just not performed. I mean, this entire top box is just... there's nothing in it. Other than the comb that I already had put in it, it's just... bees suck. Also might have killed your queen, so not entirely your fault. But even before that, even before the mite quick strips, they weren't like doing anything. Nothing close to my swarm hive. The swarm hive, oh my god. See in a minute. I shouldn't have dropped that. Let's check the lower one. Make sure that doesn't go out, because I'm going to need that for the swarm hive. As you can see, I really don't need that smoker for this one because there's no freaking bees in here. Just adjust the camera so you can actually see that. No, that's actually pretty good. Okay, down a little bit more. As you can see, they really don't give a crap about you. just in there. Nothing, man. The reason I put that second hive body on there is because this is mostly old comb that I put in there. So they should have plowed through this and filled it up. Man, they're doing nothing. They've been in there for months and they've done nothing. It's as busy as a bee. Bullshit. How are these ones? There's something there. Something going on here. Oh no. Oh, shit. Those are all drone cells. Which means I probably have a laying worker. Same on the next one. Damn. Which means this hive's dead. There's not really even any way for me to save it. Once they have a laying worker, that's pretty much it. Damn. That's the problem when you only have 2 hives. I mean, there's nothing I can really do for these guys. Damn. Oh well. Alright, on to the next hive. This hive's not worth me bothering with anymore.